All right. See, everyone, uh, once again, I'm going to start the uh, points. Everyone see, here is linear inequalities. What I am going to explain the points is linear inequality. Linear inequality. I am going to explain this yesterday. Some 6 points I will explain. I hope that 6 points I will. Point number 4 is completed. Point number 5 is completed. Now we are going to the point number 6. Once again, I will recollect all points. One time you can see. Rule number 1. By adding positive value, negative value, the value cannot be, the inequality cannot be changed. That is the rule number 1. Rule number 1. So we can add or subtract from the both side in the equation. The inequality never be changed. Okay, na? So rule number 1. So everyone remember the rule number 1. Adding or subtracting, adding or subtracting, adding or subtracting on both sides, no change in equality, no change in equality. So inequality means you have idea number. Inequalities are two types. One is the strictly inequality. Second one is the slack inequalities. Slack inequality means any one condition should be applied. Any one condition. Inequalities are two types. Inequalities are two types. One is the strictly inequalities, strictly inequality, slack inequality. So one is the strictly inequality, another one is the slack inequality. Strictly inequality is the greater than, greater, bigger than or smaller than. It is a slack is the greater than or equal, less than, smaller, less than or equal to. So in this one, greater than one, any one only applicable. Any one only applicable. Any one. You should be remember, any one. So either it will be satisfy greater than or equal, or any smaller or equal. Any one will be followed. Okay, na? Any one. So this is the inequality. First rule number 1 is by adding, subtracting on both sides, no change of inequality. Rule number 2. Rule number 2. By dividing, multiplying the positive value, inequality never be changed. So multiply by positive number, multiplied by positive number, no change of inequality, no change of inequality, no change of inequality, no change of inequality. Okay, na? So by adding, subtraction, no change of inequality. By the multiplication or division, by the multiplication, by division, by positive division, by positive value, no change of inequality. So multiplying positive value. Rule number 3. Rule number 3 is multiplying or dividing by negative value, multiply or divide, multiplied or divide by negative value, negative number. So negative number dividing or multiplying with negative number, change of inequality, change of inequality, change of inequality. This point should be remembered. Change of inequality. Rule number 4. Rule number 4. Okay, na? What is the rule number 4 is? So we have both side is the negative. So minus 40 is less than minus 20. Minus 40 is less than minus 20. Both sides we have negative. By the multiplication of negative, then the inequality will be changes. Then the inequality will be changes. 40 bigger than 20. 40 bigger than 20. Okay, na? So rule number 5. Rule number 5. What is the rule number 5 is? Everyone say rule number 5 is. So multiply 10 positive numbers is there. 10 is bigger than 5. By multiplying by the negative value, then if inequality will be changes. Rule number 5. Rule number 6. Rule number 6. This can be wrote down up to rule number 5 completed. So rule number 6. Only one point. Rule number 3. Remember, by the multiplication of negative or minus on both sides, negative value multiplication or division, inequality will be changes. Remaining adding with the positive value, negative value, inequality never be changed. No, sir. Till rule number 3 completed, sir. Fourth only statement is given, sir. Okay. Rule number 4. Okay, I will write rule number 4C. Rule number 4. Always you should be remember. Rule number 3 is by the multiplication of 4 you start, sir. Okay. Rule number 4 I will start. Everyone see rule number 3 is the only one different. By the multiplication of negative number or divide by negative number, the inequality will be changed. By adding, by subtracting, negative value or positive value never be changed. Never be changed. You should be remember. Okay, na? Right. Now rule number 4 is rule number 4. Rule number 4 is when removing the negative sign, when removing the negative sign, negative sign on both sides, from both sides, negative sign from both sides, from both sides, from both sides, from both sides, then inequality changes, then inequality changes, inequality changes. This is the point. Inequality changes. This is the point. Rule number 4. Yesterday rule number 4 is over. Just you can see. Once again I am writing rule number 4. So here is my write down the rule number 4 example is. So 5 is greater than, minus 5 is greater than, minus 5 is less than minus 3, minus 5 is less than minus 3. We are removing the, okay, sir. We are removing the negative on both sides. We multiply with the negative number. Minus 1, multiply with minus 1. So multiply with minus 1. So minus 5 into minus 1 and minus 3 into minus 1. So minus minus is the plus 5. So minus minus is the plus 3. Automatically inequality will be changes. So multiply with the negative number. This week no subject to test, sir. This week no subject to test. So 5 is greater than 3. Inequality will be changes. This is the rule number 4. Rule number 4. Rule number 5. Rule number 5. What is the rule number 5 is? Everyone see. Rule number 5 is some positive number is given. 7 is greater than 4. Here both are negative numbers. Both are negative numbers. Multiply with the negative number. -1 on both sides, it will become as a inequality will be changes. Both are positive number, then multiply negative number on both sides. Negative number on both sides, automatically inequality will be changes. In the negative number is multiplying, the inequality will be changes. Okay, na? So both are negative numbers. By the multiplication of negative, rule number 5 statement. No need of this statement. When removing, no need of this statement. So direct write on this rule number 5. What is the statement? Rule number 5. When both write on the rule number 5 statement is when removing positive sign, when removing the positive sign from both sides, 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 then inequality changes. Then inequality changes. Inequality changes. Both sides I am replacing the positive. For example, 7 greater than 3. Everyone see example. 7 greater. I am replacing the positive sign on both sides. Mean multiply with minus 7 into -1. So 3 into -1, automatically inequality will be changes. -3, -7 is less than -3. Last inequality, rule number 6. Rule number 6, last one. Rule number 6. Reciprocal rule. Reciprocal. Rule of reciprocal. Rule of reciprocal. Reciprocal. Rule of reciprocal. Some numbers is given. We should write reciprocal. 7 example is 7 is greater than 3. Write down reciprocal inequality. Rule of reciprocal. Inequality changes. Inequality changes. Inequality changes. Right, see the reciprocal, we write inequality automatically changes. So greater than will become as a smaller than. So 0.7, 1 by 7 is the 0.1 something. So 1 by 3 is the 0.3. 0.1 is less than 0.3. 0.1 is less than 0.3. Okay, na? So total 7 rules. So last one I will write one note point. Right, see the one note point. This is the important note point. So everyone remember rules. Out of 7 rules, easy I will tell. Out of 7 rules, I am telling the point is, so multiplying with the minus sign on both sides, the inequality will be changes. Multiplying by negative sign on both sides, inequality will be changes. Reciprocal, only 6 you write. Yes, 6 only I will write. So 7th one, I will write rule number 7. That is the note point I am making. Rule number 7 is a problem. Internet problem is this small. It will be stuck. Right, now everyone see. So rule number 6 rules I will write. Okay, na? Not have rule number 7. Not. No. Only 6 rules only can be remembered. So only 6 rule. 7th one I am going to write a note point. No, only 6 rule. Everyone remember the point is by the multiplication of negative on both sides. Only multiplication of negative on both sides. Inequality will be changes. Reciprocal inequality will be changes. To write the reciprocal, these 2 points should be remembered in your mind. Remaining all are not necessary. Okay, na? What is the note point is? Natural numbers. Natural numbers means no decimals. Means no decimal. 1.1 is not a natural number. 1.2 is not a natural number. Natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the natural numbers. If natural number set is came, means no decimal in between, no decimal in between, then write down the set form. So 1.1 is not there in natural number. 1.2 is not there. Only 1, only 2, only 3. Therefore, only 1, 2, 3 numbers is there. You should write in the set form. 1, 2, 3, 4. Set form is indicating that only that numbers, no decimal number, no 1.1, no 1.2, no 1.9. Set formation is indicating that only that numbers. Its meaning is only that numbers. Only that numbers. No question of reciprocal, no question of. So no question of decimal numbers. Only that 1, only 2, only 3, only 4. Okay, na? Integers. Everyone see. Note point 2. Integers. I will write here. See. Integers. Note point 2. Integers. Integers. Integers also no decimal point, only natural numbers with negatives. So that is 0, 1 number, 2 number, no 1.1, no 1.2. Natural numbers, natural numbers means, see the natural numbers means, what are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, that's enough. So, sir, 1/2 is not a natural number. 0.5 is not a natural number. Decimal, that is the rational number. Natural numbers mean only 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, natural numbers should be written out in set form. Set form is 1, 2, 3, 4. Only that numbers. 1.1 I will take, sir. It is not a natural number. Sir, 1.5 I will take, sir. 1.5 is not a natural number. It is a rational number. Okay, na? Clear, everyone? Right. Integers also same. So that numbers only 0, 1, 2. No 1.5. 1.5 is not an integer. Okay, na? 1.5 is not a counting number. Yes, counting number. So 0, only 0. So 0.5 sir, not an integer. 0, 1/3/2 sir, not an integer. Only 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. -1, -2, -3 up to infinite. These only that number. Therefore, integers I will write in. So set of all minus infinity, set of -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite number. Only that numbers. No decimal. 1.5 not a integer. 1.6 not integer. 2.5 is not integer. Okay, na? It is a rational number. So only that numbers, only that numbers. So then we can write this set form. So next, note point 3 is real numbers. Real numbers. Real numbers means all the natural numbers, integers, decimals, everything is there. 1.5, 1.1 also integer, 1.2 also integer, 1.4 also integer, all rational. rational, integers, natural numbers are all called real numbers. That's why real numbers writing is open bracket minus infinity to plus infinity. That means 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 up to 1.9. Next 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, everything. For real numbers, note down the brackets. Open bracket or closed brackets. Okay, na? Here infinite is the undefined number, that's why open brackets. For real numbers only open brackets or closed bracket. So for integers, no set form. For natural numbers, set form, only that number. But in real numbers is the decimal numbers also real number. That's why brackets we can use either open bracket or closed bracket. Here why open bracket means infinite is an undefined number, largest number. What is that number? We don't know. That's why open bracket we can. Okay, na? So these are the 3 points. So everywhere natural numbers is came, set form is right, only that numbers. Integers is came, only write down set form, only that number. Real numbers is came, decimal numbers also included 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.9999 also included, 2 also included, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.5 up to 2.9999 also included. So 3 also included. So like that one. That's why we can use the brackets. Decimal points also there. We can use the open brackets or closed brackets. Closed bracket means this is the closed bracket. Closed bracket means including endpoints. Closed bracket means including endpoints. Include endpoints. Include endpoints. Include endpoints. Open bracket means exclude endpoints. Exclude, leave it. Exclude endpoints. Exclude endpoints. That is the open bracket reason. Infinite to plus, yes. Yes. Okay, na? So these points is clear, everyone. Can I go through the exercise? Now the points is clear now. Only I will tell 2 points you can be remembered. Only 2 points. One is multiply with the negative. So multiply with the negative number or divide with the negative number on both sides, not only one side. On both sides, inequality will be changes. Reciprocal is right down. Inequality will be changed. For remaining all cases, inequality never be changed. Next, natural numbers is came. Set form only write down because of no decimal point. Only that number, only one number. Only 1.1 is not taken. So 10 including, excluding. Including is the closed bracket is the including. 2 and 5 is there. 2 and 5 is there. 2 also we can take 2.1, 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, up to 2.99999, 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, up to this, including 5 also. Okay, na? Including 5 also. Right. Now we go through the exercise. Now we go through the exercise. Everyone see. Exercise 6.1. Right. Come to the 6.1. Everyone. Write on the first problem. Exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. Solve. Solve means find x value. Solve 24x is less than 100. 24x less than 100. 2 bits is given when first bit is x is a natural number. X is a natural number. natural number. Second bit is x is a integer. Second bit is x is an integer. This is given for natural numbers, integer. Immediately keep mind, immediately recollect. For natural numbers and integers, only set form. No open bracket, no close. For real number, open bracket or closed bracket. Open bracket or closed bracket. Right. I will do the problem. Everyone see. Here, solution of the problem is 24x less than 100 is given. 24x less than 100 is given. Solve means x value required. X value, that's why dividing by positive 24 number. Only x is required left side. Left side only x required for me. X value is required means left side only x is required. For only x, I am extra number is the 24. That's why I am dividing the positive 24 on both sides. Inequality never be changed. Okay, na? Right. Divide by 24 because of I want x value only x. Divide by 24 on both sides. Rule number. So divide by positive. Rule number 2. Divide by positive number on both sides. Inequality, no change. So 24x by 24 is less than 100 by 24. 24 one times is cancelled. Therefore, x less than 100. 4, 25 times, 4, 6 times, 25 by 6. Okay, now 25 by 6. Very good. No. From Amrish. 4 by 6, Amrish. 25 by 6. Okay. Decimal point also right. X less than 4.25 divided with 6. 4, 24 times 1.016 means 4. Again 4 means 6 times 4.16 right on. 4.16. Is it clear? Right, 4.16. Very good, Amrish, very good. 4.16. 4.16. Okay, now? Right, first bit, second bit I am doing. First bit and second bit. So natural numbers, first bit mean natural numbers means set bracket. Natural numbers means set bracket. Integers also set bracket. Real numbers is open bracket or closed bracket. So natural numbers, x is a natural number. X is a natural number. X is a natural number. Here given is x not equal less than 4.16. Less than 4.16. Here is C 4.16. Next to 4. Next to 3. Next to 2. Next to 1. Next to 0. Next to -1. -2. -1, -2 up to minus infinity. So up to minus infinity, going on. So going on up to minus infinity. Up to minus infinity, dot, minus infinity. So below 4 integer, only natural numbers means that numbers only. What is that number? See, below 4.6. In natural number is the 4, below 4.6. Below 4.6 natural number is the 4. Okay, na? Right. Below 4.6 is the 4, 3, 2, 1. So I will write set bracket minus infinity, dotted, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, write down. Set bracket only, no question of open bracket, closed bracket, because of only that number. Decimals are not included. We don't take the decimal, only integer, we take the natural number. 4 point below 4.6 decimal we can't take. Next, what is the number is the natural number is the 4. 4 only we can take. Integer. Second bit C. Integers. Sorry. Here is natural numbers now. Sorry, natural number C. Natural number C 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, set of all 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. Only natural numbers. Okay. 1, 2. Amrish, correct. I'm sorry. X should be only. Yes. No negative number. Sorry, Abhay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Second bit go through it. Second bit is X is an integer. X is an integer. Integers is the negative and positive. No decimals. No decimal. Now see, integers is starting from 4, 3, 2, 1. Now write down. See, set form for integer minus infinity dotted minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 4. Decimal we can't take. Very good. Amrish, very good. This is natural numbers, no negative numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Integers including negative numbers. So decimal we can't take. Already I tell. Decimal for natural numbers, for integers only set bracket. For only set brackets. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Can you do the second bit? Any doubt? Amma? Yes, sir, clear. Amrish is clear, sir. Preeti, yes, clear. Yes, sir. Ashwini. Can I move second bit? Can I? Write down the second bit, everyone. Second bit, write down. Solve. Solve means X value. Solve means X value. Solve means X value minus 12x is greater than 30 when X is a natural number and X is an integer. Okay, this problem we have to complete it and we can stop. Right, everyone see. First one. Fast you can do, my everyone. So first minus 12x is greater than 30. X value is required. Divide by minus 12. Here we have minus 12. Divide by minus 12. Divide by minus 12 on both sides. Divide by negative number on both sides. Divide by negative number, inequality changes. So minus 12x by minus 12, inequality changes. 30 by minus 12. Here minus 12 minus x is x less than minus this is the 5. This is 6 2 times 6 5 times minus 5 by 2. That is x less than minus 2.5. Minus 2.5. Very good. Minus 2.5. Now draw the figure. So now I will draw the figure, everyone. Here is minus 2.5 minus 2.5 minus 2.5. Okay, now? Smaller numbers. This is the smaller number. So minus 2. The next minus 1. Next 0. Minus 1. We are going on up to minus infinity. minus infinity. Okay na? First bit is natural numbers. X is a natural number. X is a natural number. X is a natural number. Here no positive values, all are negative values. So no positive values, all are negative values. Is it clear? No positive values, all are negative values. Therefore here is no. So we are going to write no solution. Write down for X is natural number. No solution. No solution. Write down. Second one. X is an integer. No positive values. No positive values. That's why no solution. No positive values. All are negative values. All are negative values. No positive. No solution for integers. Write down. Integer C. Set bracket minus infinity dotted minus 1 minus 2. Decimal don't take. Decimal is not an integer. Decimal don't take. Okay na? Yes, can you write null set also? Okay, can you write null set? No solution. Okay na? Right, everyone clear? I am ending the meeting. Everyone clear na? Right.